Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how to make some easy and glam beaded garland decor for your home. Okay, so we have 3 of them that we're going to make today. So this is the first set that we're going to make. We have our beads, and I'll be using these 2 paints here. And we are going to paint all our beads and set them aside to dry, and then we'll continue with our decor. So like I said, I'm just going to be painting all the beads and then I'll set them aside. If I need to do a second coat, then I will. And this is what we'll be using on our second set of beads, and we're going to paint them using some silver paint for this one. And our third and final set will be with this pink. Okay, so for our first garland, I'm going to make the tassel. Oh, this is my way of making it. There's lots of ways that you can see on YouTube. Mine is not perfect, but this works for me, so this is how I make mine. Okay, now that it's all finished, I'm going to be using some E6000, and I'm just going to glue some of our little decor going right around the tassel right here. And now our beads are all dry, so I'm going to add some more of our glam sheet going around our little beads using our E6000. So now we are going to assemble our parts together. So I'm just going to tie a knot to hold our beads in place. And I'm just gluing some bling over here, again to help hold our beads in place. And then we're just going to tie these 2 beads onto the part with our tassel. And now we're just going to add all our other beads going along. Now because this one is a short tassel, we are just going to join everything together, loop it, and tie a few knots. And here is how our beaded garland number 1 turned out. I think it looks very nice. I love it with the loop and then the 2 little, well, 4 extra beads to the side. I think it looks very nice. A lovely piece of decor to help freshen up your home for this spring/summer of 2023. And it was so easy to put together. And everything that I'll be using in today's DIYs will be listed down below. Just click on the show more and it will open up my description box so you can see where I got everything. Okay, for DIY number 2, we have this flat piece here, and I'll be using some of this bling here. And we're gonna just decorate the flat piece going right around. And now here's our beads all dry, so we are going to bling out some of our beads using this Glam chain right here. So I'm just using some E6000 and adding the chain to some of our beads. And again, I added some of the chain going around the tassel right here too. So now we're just going to assemble the beads assemble everything together. One with the turquoise, one with the white, one with the turquoise, one with the white, going right around. And now it's time to add a little flat piece at the bottom. So we just pull it through very tight as much as possible, and then we're going to loop it going around and tie some knots to hold it in place. And here's how our beaded garland number 2 turned out. I love how it looks. I love the color. OMG. I'm absolutely in love with this color. Again, another nice and glam beaded garland to help spruce up your home for this spring/summer. Tell me what you think of this one. Leave me a comment down below. And now for DIY number 3, we are going to put some of this mirrored tile here going around our flat piece. So again, I'm using the E6000 and laying down our bling going right around. And then we're going to add our mirrored pieces on both sides. And here we go, our beads are all dry. So I'm going to add some of this silver glam chain going around every other bead. Using some E6000. Okay, so our glam chain is all dry. So now we are going to assemble our garland. So we're going to do one plain and one with our little bling on it. And now it's time to add our flat piece to our garland. And again, you just pull it tight, loop it, and tie a few knots to help secure it onto the garland. I love how number 3 turned out. I love the silver. You know I'm a silver girl. I love this one with the spacing in between, with the bling and the plain bead, the bling and the plain bead, and then the mirrored piece at the bottom. I think it looks beautiful. Tell me what you think. And you could decorate it any way you like, on a vase, on books, on the flat surface all by itself. I think it would look lovely. All 3 of them would look lovely anywhere you display them throughout your home. They were nice and easy and fun to make. And you could use any color to suit whatever decor you have throughout your home, or if you're making it as a gift for a loved one, whatever color they have within their home. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's 3 DIYs. I'd really appreciate it. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the beaded garlands that I had to share with you. And remember, everything will be listed down below that I use. Just click on the show more. It will open the description box and you'll see what I used and where I got them from. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.
Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. Crazy. But when I had you, I would say okay.